Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Devitron and welcome back to a UE4 tutorial or Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. So, in this episode, I am going to try and teach you how to use different viewpoints or use different cameras like the ones down here, how to use them in a FNAF styled way. So this may actually be a very long tutorial, but it's gonna be worth it. So first of all, yeah, I've actually created cameras and they have spotlights. So let's just say this camera, so cam 3 has a spotlight. Don't know why it even has one, but I gave it one. This camera, camera 1 also has a spotlight, and this camera also has a spotlight. Now these cameras over here all have different blueprints right here, and they are all located in the blueprints folder. So what we're gonna do first is go into our widgets folder and create a new widget. Call it FNAF camera interface. Okay, right. Let's just double click into that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a few buttons. So let's just make button over here. Make a button over here, and make a button over here, and last but not least, make a button over here. So this button right here is going to be called cam 3. I meant cam 1, sorry, cam 1. This button is going to be called cam 2. Now you can do this for like 16 billion. Actually no, don't do 16 billion cams because that's actually going to be way too much. You can do this for like 10 cams, 20 cams and stuff like that, but for today we're just going to be doing 3 cams. So cam 3, and now for this button over here, this is going to be called the exit cam. Cam. There we go. And now let's just put some text in there. Text. Sorry. And now rename text to cam 1. Cam 2. Cam 3. And then exit cam. There we go. Now what you want to do is compile, save it, so like nothing happens. So now what you want to do is click on cam 1 button, and then scroll down, and then click on the plus next to on clicked. Now what you want to do is get rid of these. Now what you want to do is scroll over here, scroll down until you see event dispatchers. I can't really explain what an event dispatcher means or is. Basically, an event dispatcher is like communication between the widget and the character blueprint or level blueprint. So if you want to click a button on the widget blueprint and for it to do something in the level blueprint, that's what the event dispatcher is for. So let's create an event dispatcher. Call it cam 1 or fire cam 1. Yeah, fire cam 1. Now click on Cam2 button, which is this one right here, and do the same for this one as well. On clicked, and then via Cam2, and now Cam3. Via Cam3. Now let's just make these close a little bit together. That just sounds so weird. Don't really care though. And now what you want to do is drag these out into here, and then click on call. So basically, what call means is like the level blueprint or your first person blueprint or your whatever blueprint you're using, it's gonna try and listen out for the fire cam, and once that fire cam call has been called, then whatever you're trying to call in the in any other blueprint, it will. It's very complicated to explain, but as time goes by, when we're actually creating our FNAF styled camera system, you'll probably understand what I'm going to talk about. So let's just join these up, and then call, join that up, cool, join that up. Okay, now with the exit cam, of course you would want to do like an call exit cam thing. So let's do another event dispatcher and call it via exit cam. Bear in mind, everyone, this may be a very long tutorial, although you're probably used to it because of my FNAF series on Click Team Fusion. So call via exit cam. So we have these buttons here. So now compile, save, drag it up here because it's easier. Now what you want to do is go into the level blueprints, and then right click, and then let's just say C, or actually no, let's try control. So wait, control, not what I wanted. Fudge. Hold on, let me just. You know what? Yeah. Wait, hold on. Oh, there. Oh my god. Left control. Okay. Left control. So pressed. Actually, let's make a new variable and call it is widget active, and in brackets say cameras. And now hold down control and then drag that out, and then drag the red thing out and then type in branch. There we go. And now create another variable and call it FNAF cameras. And now what you want to do is go to variable type, drop down arrow. Now it's going to be none of these, but now type in FNAF and it will come up there. Now click on it, and then it will turn that's going to be your widget. That just turned it into like a widget variable. So now what you want to do is drag that out by holding control and dragging it out. And now drag off the blue thing. Now don't type in branch, but type in is valid, and then go for the is valid one there. No, go for the space one, not with the one with no space. And now take that off and then type in branch. And now let's just connect these up. So pressed is widget active. If it's false, then go towards this, and if that is false, then create widget class, select class, which is FNAF camera interface. And now what you want to do is drag off the return value and set FNAF cameras. Set FNAF cameras. And now this is the best part. Now what you actually, before we do anything else, let's just go all the way down here and then right click, add custom event. Now what custom event is basically an event that is a custom event. It's basically any event that you want to do is a custom event. It's basically creating your own event. That's basically what a custom event is. So now call it cam1. Now create another custom event, add custom event, call it cam2, add another one, custom event, cam3, custom event, and then exit cam. There we go. Now what you want to do is actually let's just space these out. Let's just really space these out. Now drag off this, and now what you want to do is type in set view. Okay, first of all, untick context sensitive. It's going to make the list bigger. Now set view target with blend. Basically what this is doing is basically you know the camera which you are basically I'm saying basically too many times. You know when you're playing as the player character or the player controller, the camera that you see through that. Okay. Let's just play. Yes. So the player character, the camera that you are seeing through right now, which you can see in the game, yeah. We are going to change that camera into another camera. So drag off target and type in controller. 1 minute. Type in player controller. Yep. And now what you want to do is go back into the tutorial map. Now find cam1, which is over here. Or click off, or you can just type it, and you just can click on cam1 here. And then go back into the tutorial map here. Now right click, tick context sensitive, and then create a reference to cam1, and then put that into the new view target. There we go. So it won't do anything like. Okay, what I'm gonna do is let's just press U. Yeah, there we go, U. Now let's just put this in. Let's just renode this into there. Now when it's pressed, play. So press U, and it will change the target back to there. And now, let me just demonstrate something else. So if I do flop, and put this into there, and put that into there. Now what I'm going to do is hold a minute, let me just drag this all up here. Let me just control and W. Now put the B into there, but now take this out, take the cam one out, and put the player controller there, or player character. I think that's it. Let's just try it. So compile, play. So now when I press U, it'll go there, U, and it'll go back there. So U, we can't move at all. But if we press U again, we are back here. So U. So that is basically what that's doing. It's changing your player's view to another camera. Not the player's camera, but another camera. So now, let's just take this out. And then place this back over here. Take the flip-flop that out. And then put that back there. I was just demonstrating to you what the view target was doing. Now let's copy these or duplicate it and put it down to cam 2. But now what you want to do is where it says cam 1 right here, you want to remove that, go back into the tutorial map, click on cam 2, and then create another reference. There we go. And now do the same thing for the other ones. Or yeah, for this one. Cam 3. Create reference. And there we go. So now we have custom events for these target things. Now for the exit cam, we're just going to do what we did before. So duplicate this again, and then take that out, and then put the view target as player character. And that's all you need to do. There we go. So now what you want to do is over here, what you want to do now is, so let's just recap. So when we press control, it will check to see if the widget is active, and if it isn't active, then it will check to see if it's valid, like if it's like, well, if it's valid, and if it's not valid, then it will create the camera interface, the FNAF camera thing. It won't add it to viewport yet, but it will create it. Then it will set the FNAF cameras to valid, and then drag off this, and now this is where the awesome part comes in. Now type in bind event to fire cam 1, and now this is what I love about UE4. You can actually drag these off and type in RER, add reroute node, and then drag this off, bind event to cam 2, reroute, bind event to cam 3, reroute, and then bind event to fire exit cam. There we go. Now before we do anything, let's just connect these up. So connect, and connect. Now last thing that we have to do is first thing we need to do actually is create another custom event, and call it add FNAF cameras widget. There we go. So now, now drag this off, and then type in, hold a minute. Now, hold Control and drag the FNAF cameras out, and then add to viewport. There we go. And now do that. There we go. And then, and now last but not least, drag this out, and then add, and then click on add FNAF cameras widget. There we go. Now all we have to do is do the same thing for over here. Add FNAF cameras widget. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is wait, compile. Aha, yeah. Okay. You see the errors there? Let's just play. Yes, alright. So as you can see, we're here. So if we control. Okay. Aha, okay. I understand what I need to do now. So in order for it to work, we have to connect these events up to these events. See the red box here and the red box here as well. You need to connect these up. So see cam 1 over there. Connect this up to bind event to fire cam 1, and now cam 2. I don't want to drag the actual box. I want to drag the box. That made no sense. Fire cam 2. Fire cam 3. Where is it? What the hell? What the hell? Where the hell's? Oh, there it is. Okay. Fire cam 3. Then it is exit cam, and then bind event to fire exit cam. There we go. Now compile, and then done. So now let's just press Control. Hold on 1 minute. I am forgetting something. Oh yeah, I just realized that I actually need to set the view target, because like I added the actual widget, but it hasn't actually done anything, because let me just show you. So at the moment, if I press Control and oh yeah, I need to actually set show mouse cursor, add widget. So set input game and UI, and my back is like really hurting me. I don't know why. Okay, set widget to focus, that one. Target, which is going to be player controller. Yep. Hide cursor during capture. Nope. So then compile, and then press Control, and now you can click on cam 1, cam 2, cam 3. So let's click on cam 1. As you can see, we're now on cam 1, cam 2. We're now on cam 2, cam 3. We're now on cam 3. Exit cam. We're now back in our original spot. But now what we need to do is, where it says exit cam, what we want to do is drag out this output node and type and get the FNAF cameras thing, and do remove from parent. There we go. Now let's try it. So Control, cam 1, cam 2, cam 3, exit cam. There we go. We've now exited out. Now if you want to press Control and not still be in your position, then what to do is drag out this node. Actually, first of all, copy out or duplicate these set view target with blend, duplicate it over to here. Now let's try it. So play. So right, we are walking around as normal, and we have our flashlight. So now control, we are now here. Cam 1, we're now in cam 1. Cam 2, we're now in cam 2. Cam 3, we're now in cam 3. Exit cam, we're now here. Now, to like move around automatically, when you're back into your normal state, go back to exit cam, and then set input mode to game only, and then player controller. And now look at what this will do. So we're playing normally, as you can see. Yes. Control, we're now here. Cam 1, cam 2, cam 3, exit cam, and now we're back in the game. That is basically how you create your FNAF cameras. Although if you want to make it look like professional, then I suggest you do this. So let's just do let's go to cam 1. Now what you want to do is if you want to make it look professional when you like click on the cams, and but when you see the cam names and stuff, then go down to appearance, go to style, and then where it says normal, hovered, press, disabled, okay, disabled tint, you can just like put that down. But when you press when it's normal, you can click on tint and then click on the color and watch. Drag down the color, and as you can see, look over there. Yeah, look over there. And as you can see, it's going to transparent. Now do the exact same thing for hovered. There we go. But for pressed, you may want to do this. You may want to like make it like green or something. I don't know. Yeah, you might want to make it like green or something. Hold a minute. Wait, cancel. Let's just do this. So make it red. Yeah, let's just make it red. Right. So pressed. So that's for cam 1. Let's do the exact same for cam 2. So normal. Go down. Hovered. Disabled. Pressed. Go back up. Now, same for cam 3, obviously. Pressed. Red. And then exit cam. Pressed. Red. Now, if you really want to, you can even make the words bigger as well. So let's just make that about 40. Make cam 1 40. 40. 40. Oh, shoot. 40. There we go. Now compile, save, and now go back into the tutorial map. Now, let's just press control. Actually, you can... Okay, let's just do that for a minute there. Oh yeah, normal. I forgot to put that down all the way. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. Lol. Okay, compile, save. Now let's try. So, as you can see, we've got cam 1, cam 1, cam 2, cam 3, exit. So, cam 1, cam 2, cam 3, and exit. There we go. I have taught you how to do FNAF styled cameras. I hope you have all enjoyed, and I hope this has helped you with your FNAF fan game, if you're even creating a fan game in Unreal Engine 4. Yeah, save now. Yeah. I'm just gonna exit that, save that, and then save that as well. and I'm gonna give you a little a demonstration. So I don't know if I've already done this or not, but let's just go into settings, project settings, maps and modes. Okay, I have already done it then. So basically, if you let's say for example, let's just put that over there. If you wanted to open up your Unreal Engine project, and it went over, and it was always in the third person example project or first person example project level thing, then easily just go to project settings, and then go to maps and modes and game default map. Game default map is the starting map, in which you start on when you start your game, but the editor startup map is when like you open up your project, and the map that you the level or map that you start on or continue on, that's the editor startup map. So quite confusing, but you'll probably learn it soon. Yeah, so thanks for watching, everyone, and see you all later.